I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make jackfruit gravy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. We'll start by sautéing the aromatics to build a flavorful base. This initial step is crucial for developing the rich taste that makes this gravy so delicious. Get your pan hot and let's begin creating this wonderful dish together. Once your oil is hot, add mustard seeds and let them splutter, then toss in some fresh curry leaves for aroma. Next, add your chopped onions and cook them until they're soft and translucent, then stir in the ginger garlic paste. Now it's time to introduce the spices: turmeric, chili powder, and coriander powder. Sauté these briefly to release their fragrant oils, being careful not to burn them. After the spices are fragrant, add the chopped tomatoes and cook them down until they become soft and pulpy. This creates a lovely base for our gravy. Now, add the prepared jackfruit pieces, stirring them thoroughly to coat them in the aromatic spice mixture. Pour in 1 cup of water, bring it to a gentle boil, then cover the pan and let it simmer until the jackfruit is tender. Once the jackfruit is tender, stir in the coconut milk and let it simmer gently for about 5 more minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, garnish your delicious jackfruit gravy with fresh cilantro. Serve it hot with steamed rice, dosa, or your favorite flatbread for a truly satisfying meal. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.